So we're down here at MSA down at Arundel, Gold Coast in sunny Queensland, and we're here working on MSA's Super Cruiser. So they've done a 6-wheel drive conversion on it and stretched it. It still has all 7 seats in it, so it's a full stretch. And today we're going to be testing a new modified bracket for the Provent 200, and we're also going to put our transmission oil cooler kit on. So if you pop into the workshop with us and we'll take a look. So they've had quite a bit of work on it. They have a lot of their own product and a lot of other people's product on it. So in this particular, our Provent normally mounts up the back, but Safari have put their AR Max in there. So unfortunately we weren't able to put our Provent where we would normally on this particular vehicle. So we've made a custom bracket for it, and which will mount down behind the grille. And we're also working on a heater for it as well, so to stop any of that condensation, because that's not the best place to put it. And right next to the factory transmission cooler, we're going to be putting our transmission cooler in there as well. So a bit of extra protection for the transmission with all the extra weight that this is pulling around. So keep tuned and we'll get started. So there you go guys, we've installed our prototype Provent 200 kit and we've also installed our Transchill automatic transmission cooler kit on here as well. So with the added weight and the 6-wheel drive system, the transmission should be running at much lower temperatures than factory and help protect that transmission when Shane's out and about in the 6-wheel drive. So thanks again for watching and talk to you guys soon.